Hello everyone, to my fellow public sector workers. I am Nika Joy Villarta and I stand with you in the fight for fair wages, job security, and dignity in public service. For too long, many government employees have been overworked, underpaid, and left without benefits. Contractual workers, our colleges under job order and contract of service, serve just like regular employees but without the security they deserve. This is injustice and it must end. I believe in a government that values its workers. That is why I am committed to pushing for higher salaries, better benefits, and regularization of all public sector employees. We work tirelessly to serve the people. Now it's time we fight for what we rightfully deserve. Together, we can create a stronger, fairer, and more just public service. Join us, stand with us, and let's demand the respect and rights that every worker deserves.